Hi, friends! Welcome back to our channel! Today we're going to draw Yummy Treat. A colorful lollipop first. Draw a big circle, like the shape of a balloon. Now, draw a spiral inside the circle, starting from the center and going out. This makes it look like a real lollipop. Add a stick under the circle. That's the lollipop stick. Time to color it. Use any bright colors you like for the swirl. Red, yellow, green, purple. Make it tasty looking. Subscribe for more fun art videos.